Welcome to Compare to Win. The best giant Kit Kat bar is probably one of the most iconic and satisfying chocolate bars ever created, and this oversized version takes that beloved experience to a whole new level of indulgence. Imagine the crisp, wafer layers perfectly enrobed in smooth milk chocolate, now amplified to a scale that promises an epic snacking adventure, making it an ideal treat for sharing or for those moments when only a truly substantial chocolate fix will do. This isn't just a candy bar, it's an event, a celebration of a classic flavor profile that has delighted taste buds for generations, now presented in a format that's as impressive to behold as it is to devour. Number 5. KIT Milk Chocolate Wafer Candy Bars. Experience the classic taste of KIT. A perfect blend of smooth milk chocolate and crispy wafer awaits you. Enjoy the satisfying crunch of our signature wafer, enrobed in rich, creamy milk chocolate. It's a delightful combination you'll love. Need a little pick-me-up? Grab a KIT for that perfect break anytime, anywhere. It's the ideal treat to recharge your day. These individually wrapped bars are perfect for sharing with friends, family, or colleagues. Spread the sweetness and enjoy together. For generations, KIT has been a beloved treat. Its timeless flavor and satisfying texture make it a go-to indulgence. This convenient pack ensures you have plenty of your favorite candy bars on hand. Enjoy 36 moments of pure chocolatey bliss. What we like? Looking for a treat that goes a long way? This option offers incredible value with a large quantity of individually wrapped bars. If you're planning a party, need treats for a classroom, or just love having plenty of your favorite snack on hand, this is the perfect choice for sharing and convenience. What people say. The giant Kit Kat bar is a massive chocolate bar, perfect for sharing or indulging. Each segment of the giant Kit Kat bar snaps off cleanly, just like the regular size, making it easy to enjoy. The chocolate-to-wafer ratio in the giant Kit Kat bar is excellent, providing a satisfying crunch and rich chocolate flavor. Number 4. KIT Big KAT Milk Chocolate Wafer King Size Candy Bars. Get ready for a truly satisfying treat. This king-size candy bar offers a generous portion of deliciousness. Experience the perfect combination of crispy wafer layers enrobed in smooth milk chocolate. It's a classic taste you'll love. This is not your average candy bar. Enjoy a bigger, bolder chocolatey adventure designed for true fans. With its substantial size, it's great for sharing with a friend. Or, keep this delightful treat all to yourself. When that chocolate craving hits, reach for this. It's the ultimate way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Discover what makes this chocolate bar a favorite. It's the quality ingredients and satisfying crunch you expect. What we like? Craving a more substantial chocolate experience? This king-size bar delivers a bigger, more satisfying crunch with every bite. If you're looking for a treat that truly hits the spot after a long day or want a more decadent snack, this is the one to grab. What people say. The giant Kit Kat bar is a massive chocolate bar, perfect for sharing or indulging. It features the classic Kit Kat wafer and chocolate combination, delivering a satisfying crunch and rich flavor. Number 3. KIT Milk Chocolate Wafer XL. Experience the iconic taste you love, now in an extra-large size. It's the perfect treat for a bigger break. Enjoy the satisfying crunch of our signature wafers enveloped in smooth milk chocolate. Each bite is a delightful combination of textures. This generous size is designed for those who want a little more from their break. It's more of what you crave. Whether you choose to share this delightful treat or savor it all yourself, it's sure to please. Enjoy it on your own terms. We've taken the classic KIT experience and made it bigger and better. It's the ultimate way to enjoy your break time. This pack contains 10 individually wrapped pieces, making it easy to enjoy anytime, anywhere. It's convenient indulgence. What we like? Ready for the ultimate Kit Kat experience? This extra-large bar is designed for those who want maximum chocolatey goodness and wafery crispness. If you're a true fan who loves to savor every moment and desires the most intense flavor, this is your go-to for a truly special indulgence. What people say. The giant Kit Kat bar is a massive version of the classic chocolate bar, perfect for sharing or indulging. It features the iconic crispy wafer layers enrobed in smooth milk chocolate, just like the original but in a much larger size. This bar is a great novelty item and a fun treat for any Kit Kat lover. Number 2. KIT Milk Chocolate Wafer XL. Experience the iconic taste you know and love. Our milk chocolate wafer bars are a timeless treat. Indulge in the XL size for an even more satisfying experience. Each bite delivers that perfect crisp wafer and creamy chocolate. With 12 individually wrapped bars, there's plenty to share with friends and family. Or, keep them all to yourself for a delightful snack. Need a moment of delicious escape? Grab one of these for your perfect break. It's the ideal way to recharge your day. Crafted with smooth milk chocolate and crispy wafers, these bars offer a consistently delightful taste. Enjoy the quality in every piece. This 12-count pack ensures you're always ready with a delicious treat. It's convenient and economical for all your chocolate cravings. What we like? Need enough for the whole family or a group of friends? This pack provides multiple large bars, ensuring everyone gets their fill of the classic taste. If you're looking for a convenient way to satisfy a crowd or want a generous supply for movie nights, this is an excellent option. What people say. The giant Kit Kat bar is a massive chocolate bar, perfect for sharing or indulging. It features the classic Kit Kat wafer and chocolate combination, just in a much larger size. This bar is great for parties or as a unique gift for chocolate lovers. Number 1. KIT Milk Chocolate Wafer King Size Candy Bars. Experience the iconic taste of milk chocolate and crisp wafer. It's the perfect treat to satisfy your cravings. Enjoy a generous king-size bar, designed for ultimate satisfaction. This is more of what you love. Relive the classic combination of smooth milk chocolate and light, crispy wafers. A timeless favorite for a reason. With 24 bars in this pack, there's plenty to share with friends and family. Or, keep them all to yourself for a delightful snack. Grab one whenever you need a delicious pick-me-up. It's the ideal companion for any occasion. Indulge in the rich, creamy milk chocolate that perfectly complements the signature wafer crunch. Pure delight in every bite. What we like? Want a satisfying snack without being overwhelming? This king-size bar offers the perfect balance of indulgence and portability. If you're looking for a quick pick-me-up during your commute, a satisfying treat at work, or a delicious reward, this is ideal for a convenient, single-serving delight. What people say. The giant Kit Kat bar is a massive chocolate bar, perfect for sharing or indulging. It features the classic Kit Kat wafer and chocolate combination, delivering a satisfying crunch and rich flavor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.